Welcome back to Health for You. Today we're exposing 9 foods you should never eat, or at least think twice about. Behind clever packaging and healthy claims, some foods hide real risks to your long-term health. Let's dive in and uncover the truth. First up, canned tomatoes, a pantry staple with a hidden danger. Most cans are lined with BPA, a chemical that can leach into acidic foods like tomatoes, disrupting hormones and increasing cancer risk. The fix? Choose tomatoes in glass jars, BPA-free cans, or go fresh when possible. Small change, big impact for your health. Protect your body by making this simple swap. Processed meats, bacon, deli slices, hot dogs, are linked to cancer by the World Cancer Research Fund. Preservatives and smoking create harmful compounds that damage your cells. Opt for fresh, unprocessed meats or plant-based alternatives like lentil sausages or mushroom burgers. Move away from factory-processed foods for a healthier future. Margarine was once marketed as a healthy butter alternative, but it's loaded with trans fats, proven to harm your heart. Trans fats raise bad cholesterol and lower good cholesterol, increasing your risk of heart disease. Choose grass-fed butter or natural spreads instead. Sometimes the best choice is the least processed one. Vegetable oils like canola and soybean are everywhere, but their industrial processing creates unstable fats that oxidize and harm your cells. These oils are stripped of nutrients and can promote inflammation. Switch to extra virgin olive oil for salads and low-heat cooking, or avocado and coconut oil for higher heat. These stable, less processed oils are better for your body. Upgrade your oils, upgrade your health. Microwave popcorn is convenient, but the bags often contain PFAS, forever chemicals linked to cancer and immune issues. Artificial butter flavoring can also harm your lungs. Make popcorn on the stovetop with healthy oil and organic kernels. You control the ingredients and avoid toxic chemicals. Enjoy a classic snack minus the hidden risks. Potatoes absorb pesticides and fungicides from conventional farming, making them one of the dirty dozen for contamination. Washing isn't enough. These chemicals get inside the potato. Choose organic potatoes or grow your own for a cleaner option. It's a simple way to reduce your chemical exposure. Eat potatoes as nature intended, pure and wholesome. Table salt is highly processed, stripped of minerals, and loaded with additives. Instead, use natural sea salt or Himalayan pink salt, which retain beneficial minerals and offer better flavor. A small switch can help your body maintain a healthier mineral balance. Season your food with the richness of the earth, not just sodium. Soy protein isolate is found in many processed foods, but it's made using harsh chemicals and often comes from GMO soybeans. For a healthier option, choose organic, non-GMO, and fermented soy foods like tempeh or miso. Fermentation boosts nutrition and adds probiotics. Stick to traditional whole soy foods for real benefits. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose promise guilt-free sweetness, but they can disrupt your metabolism and gut health. They may even increase cravings for real sugar. Retrain your palate to enjoy natural sweetness from fruit, honey, or maple syrup in moderation. Reducing all forms of intense sweetness is best for your health. Choose real whole foods to satisfy your sweet tooth. Our food system is full of convenient but risky choices, but you have the power to protect your health. Focus on whole, minimally processed foods and cook at home when you can. Buy organic for the most contaminated produce, and don't stress about perfection. Balance is key. What foods do you avoid? Share in the comments. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health tips. Your health is in your hands. Make choices today your future self will thank you for.